Okay, a brief tour of the place that I study. This is it. This is my desk. Um, I keep some books on my desk handy when I'm doing uh, Bible reading and stuff in the morning, or reading my Greek New Testament. I don't like to use a lot of digital tools, so I like to have some reference things right on my desk that are handy. When we first moved here, there was a big television that was right up there. I think it's kind of a neat symbolism now that we took the bracket out that was for the television and put a clock up there. I think there's a little bit of symbolism you could draw out of that. Obviously, I did none of that decorating right there. That's all my wife. But anyways, so yeah, they had some built-in shelves when we got the place, so I filled them up with some books. There's some classics up there, some fictional stuff down there, and just a bunch of overflow and miscellaneous books. Micro encyclopedia set there, along with my decorative bear, Harvard classics there, and then some more overflow, just some larger books. And then over here, I've got some bookshelves. This is, let me see if I can switch this around a little bit. They're about 7 foot tall. So I can fit quite a few books on these. However, after moving into this new house, I'm finding those are the 4 shelves there, that I don't have room for all the books that I have, and so I've still got a bunch in storage. But anyways, that's just kind of a brief look at my space that I use for my study, and sort of also kind of like a second living room for me and my family as well. So that's it. This is where I study, and thought you might be interested in that. If you want me to go into more detail and show you a little bit more of what's in here, I'm going to have to be more selective about the books that I get, because you can only fit so many books in one physical space. So that's it. That's a look at my study.